Good morning, class 6, chapter number 1, Food and its sources. Student, we have discussed in previous lecture food from plants, and we have discussed the food from the parts of a plant. Today we will discuss food from animals. Student, if we talk about, everybody know animals provide us with a variety of product such as milk, meat, egg, honey, and which we eat as a food. So you can see there is also written also, you can take example of the food from animals: milk, egg, meats, fish, honey. Student, if we talk about egg, so geese, you can take example of the geese, ducks are the some of the birds that give us eggs, and these birds are called poultry. So from which we get egg? From hen, duck, and quail. And student, meat, we get meat from hen, goat, duck, and fish. So meat mainly comes from the hens, goat, sheep, and ducks. A large population of the world is dependent on meat as their staple food. Mostly populations of the world is depend on the meat, and they use as meat as their staple food. Student, if we talk about milk, we get milk from the animals also. So cows, goats, buffaloes are the some common animals that give us milk. And you know what are milch animal? Milch animals are milk producing animals. And milk and its products such as paneer, butter, cream, cheese and curd are commonly called dairy product. And these dairy products are prepared from the milk. Next student, honey. Honey is also, we get honey from the honey bees. So bees collect nectar from the flowers and convert it into a thick sweet liquid called honey. You know what is nectar? What is nectar? Nectar is a sweet liquid. Yeah, you can say that the sweet liquid juice of the flower. So bees collect nectar from the flowers and convert it into a thick sweet liquid called honey. And honey is collected and stored for use throughout the year. And we use honey as a natural sweetener, and it also use as a medicinal properties. So honey bees provide us with honey which they prepare from the nectar of the plant and store in their beehives. It is a unique food, you know, as all other foods item need appreciate storage condition, but honey doesn't. So student, there are the two types of the people are found based on the types of the food consumes: vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Student, vegetarian, the people who do not eat meat, and non-vegetarian, the people who eat meat. So based on the types of the food consumes, people are categorized as vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Vegetarian do not eat meat, and they eat only plants and plants part. They such as fruits and vegetables. And non-vegetarian eat meat and egg. They both consumes milk and milk product also. If we talk about the vegans, student, vegans do not eat animal product also, such as eggs, cheese, yogurt, and so on. So vegetarian, non-vegetarian, and vegans. Vegetarian eat only plants and plants part, fruits and vegetables. Non-vegetarian eat meats and eggs. They consumes both milk and milk product, and vegans do not eat animals product like egg, milk, cheese, yogurt, and so on. Now student, we will discuss the food habitats of animals. Student, you know Animals are the herbivores. They directly or indirectly depend on the green plants for their food requirement. Have you ever thought what a chipmunk eat? And what do people feed their pets? Yes, student. So several kinds of the animals are found in different parts of the world. And what are their food habits? Have you ever observed cattle grazing in a field? What do they eat? Yes. What do they eat? They eat grass. So, do all animals eat grass? No. So, animals can be classified into the following types of the basis of the food types they eat. So, if we talk about there is activity, find out what the following animals eat: shark, peacock, myth, square, camel, snail, spider, cockroach, parrot, earthworm, mosquito, elephant, and bees. So, then groups the animals in the following three categories. Group 1, animals that only eat plants. Group number 2, animals that eat other animals. Group number 3, animals that eat both plants and animals. So find out shark, peacock, myth. There are some example of the animals. So you divided in group 3. So based on the food that animals eat, we classified into three main categories. So there are the three types of the animals are found: herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. So first is the herbivores. Herbi. Herba means vegetarian, or warrior means eat. Only vegetations eat, only plants eat. So animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. So if we talk about the teeth of the herbivores, two type: sharp cutting teeth at the front. They have the sharp cutting teeth at the front, and they have also flat wide grinding teeth at the back of their jaw. So there are the some example of the herbivores: cows, buffaloes, deer. So there are the two types of the teeth: sharp cutting teeth in the front and big wide grinding teeth at the back. So example of the herbivores: cow, buffalo, deer, horse, and giraffe. And many birds are also herbivore. They eat nuts, berries, fruits, and seeds. So if we talk about parrot and pigeon, they eat only seeds, nut, and fruits of the plants. So these birds have hard pointed beaks to eat the food. And if we talk about some insect such as butterflies and honeybees, what they eat? Yes, student, honeybees and butterflies feed on the nectar of the flowers. These insects have the special mouth parts called proboscis. They have the proboscis, and the proboscis helps the insect to suck nectar from the flowers. And you know what about the caterpillar, grasshopper, and beetles? Yes, student, caterpillar, grasshopper, and beetles feed mainly on the tender of the leaves. So all are the herbivores, whether it is cow, goat, sheep, buffaloes, horse, deer, elephant, and some birds. For example, parrot also, pigeon also, and insect also, butterflies, honeybees, and caterpillars, grasshopper also, beetles also. They feed mainly on the plants. So they are the herbivores. So we were discussing to find out the animals whether they are herbivores. To find out, we have discussed also herbivores. So you can find out the herbivores in this activity 3. So now student, we will discuss the carnivores. So first you tell me what are the herbivores. Yes, student, animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. Student, in next video we will discuss the carnivores. What are the carnivores and what type of the teeth they have. Okay students, take care. Bye.